Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 ECE paper. A unity negative feedback system has an open loop transfer function of k by s into s plus 10. The gain k for the system to have a damping ratio of 0.25. To get a damping ratio of 0.25, find the value of k for the given open loop transfer function with unity feedback. This is a question asked. Okay, and if you observe the open loop transfer function, it is consisting of one pole at origin, the other pole is at -10. So this consisting of two poles. Two poles is nothing but simply it is order of 2, though it is going to be having second order system. So the given system is second order system, okay, since it consisting of two poles, and general equation of general second order closed loop transfer function that we know, which is equal to omega n square divided by s square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. Now we have to find out the closed loop transfer function for the given open loop transfer function and feedback. Then you have to equate these two things and get the value for k when the zeta is substituted as 0.25. So now closed loop transfer function can be obtained by using this one 1g by 1 plus gh, and it has given unity feedback, so h of s is equal to 1. So simply it will be equal to g by 1 plus g itself, h is equal to 1. So this will be k divided by s square plus 10s plus k, this it will become. Okay, so and this if you compare with the standard equation, okay, this if you are going to compare with standard equation, you can say k is equal to omega n square. K is equal to omega n square because k is omega n square, here also k is omega n square, order is s square, it doesn't have any non-unity coefficient. So s square also has the same coefficient as unity, here also s square is having the same coefficient. So simply it is exactly identical to the second order general closed loop transfer function. From that one we can identify k is equal to omega n square, okay, and 2 zeta omega n is equal to 10, okay, and from this one omega n is equal to 10 by 2 zeta. So 10 divided by, to get the zeta value of 25, it has given, so damping ratio zeta is equal to 0.25, so this will be 10 by 0.5. 10 by 0.5 is nothing but 20. So omega n we got it as 20. Then we can calculate k value as 20 square, which is nothing but 400. So if the k value is 400, then this open loop transfer function with feedback will have a damping ratio of 0.25. Okay. So the right answer for this question is k is equal to 400. Thank you.